Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush here, Discover Boss, and we're here with another video. Yes, we are in Montego Bay. I know you probably have seen a few videos from Montego Bay so far. That's where we are for a little while, so just showing you around the place. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to turn on your post notification bell, so once I do a new upload, you guys will be notified as well. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like, and remember to share the video as well. And we're almost there. We're trying to get a drone for the channel. Once you can support in any way by donating to the channel, we have PayPal and other options, so you can definitely donate to the channel. So as you see in the title, Blue Diamond Plaza, that's where we are. Just doing a drive around with you guys. It's one of the popular plazas in Ironshore. That's the community just outside of Montego Bay. So we're just taking a drive around this commercial area. We have Shoppers Fair, the main supermarket on this plaza. We have a paint store. We have a government ministry. What's that? Industrial Disputes Tribunal, Western Division. We have liquor store. We have medical, family physician, haberdashery. Right, so this is one of the foundation plazas in Ironshore down this side. So I know a lot of you guys may have visited this plaza before. If you have visited this plaza before, just twist of my tongue just now. If you have visited this plaza before, just leave in the comment section. Just make a comment. Just type Blue Diamond. And if you're down from this side, if you come from Ironshore, if you visited this side before, if you grew up this side, just let us know in the comment section. So from Blue Diamond Plaza, we'll cross the road to the other neighboring plaza. And again, it's just a quick drive around this commercial district with you guys. And again, we're in Ironshore, Montego Bay. So we'll take this left turn right here. Alright, so I think the name of this complex is Whitter Village. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. A lot more shops over here than Blue Diamond, so we just do a quick drive around with you guys. Good landscaping as well, good layout. It's newer than Blue Diamond. There's a very clean BMW right here. I love the color. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Are you a BMW person? Audi? VW? Mercedes-Benz? Let me know in the comment section. So we have different clothes tours, restaurants, pharmacy, clinic, a progressive foods as well. That's our supermarket, gift shop, souvenir shop, because you know this is a heavy tourist area. So you have a lot of gift shops and souvenir shops as well. And the entrance for the progressive is just up right here. Let me just drive through this area. This is where you can pick up persons that are waiting to be picked up. Alright, so again, just driving around, just showing you guys the place. Again, in front of us is the Blue Diamond Plaza. Let's go down this side. Again, a lot of different stores, souvenir, clothes, liquor, authentic Jamaican, Harley Davidson Jamaica. That's how we just drive past. You have Pizza Hut, you have KFC. You have an Express Fitness outlet as well. BH Paint. So a lot of different stores this side, guys. So you have KFC right here on the left. You know, KFC can't lose, they're always making money. Always a long line. You also have a Jam Zone Gaming. You have Treasure Hunt Gaming as well. Lots of parking. So lots of parking and recreational areas. Treasure Hunt upstairs. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna get up parking and then show you guys around the recreational area. There's a water fountain in there as well. Ultimate Meal Boutique, Western Union Dentist. So as I mentioned, a myriad of different stores. Alright, guys, so let's get up parking and I walk on the inside to show you guys some more. So one moment. Alright guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. And thanks for watching.